Combining a trip with the wife and enjoying the culture as well as the build program is truly an extraordinary experience. Nice to see you. Welcome. Coming to the Mustang factory, not really knowing what was going to be involved in the build process, you don't know what to expect, and to walk in and find every single step perfectly laid out before you, to hands-on feel all the spars, the supports, the layups. It just gives you such an appreciation for the care, attention, the perfection that goes into this. Yep. It's like a family working together hand in hand. You truly feel it as a customer when you walk in here and see what goes on and how they put this all together. They suit you up, gloves and all, and you start doing carbon fiber layups, assembly and reassembly, and you see your creation come alive right in front of you. What really impressed me from day one, to see the kind of activity that goes on producing a perfect airplane. It's so well manufactured. Comments, observations were always invited, working with you and customizing it to your own detail and to your own satisfaction. Working together in a collaborative effort, it was truly enjoyable. I think this will do quite the honorable thing in the respecting all the Tuskegee Airmen. It's been a very broad-based visit with many wonderful sights. Having some relatives that are Polish, I'm quite honored to be here. I couldn't be more impressed with realizing a dream that many people have had as a child, having not just a model, but one that actually flies, and hopefully that you get to fly. But talk about bringing childhood dreams to life. Here we are.